This video will introduce you to OnTheAir Manager, a broadcast scheduling application from Softron Media Services. The purpose of this video is to give you a quick overview of OnTheAir Manager's capabilities. OnTheAir Manager has a unique and distinct user interface. It is easy to understand, and it encompasses the features professional broadcasters expect to have from a 24/7 unattended playout. The interface has three main windows: the schedule window, the browser window, and the inspector window. The schedule window is where you can create events and playlists that will be used in your channel programming. The media browser window shows a list of media that resides in your media watch folders and is available for playout. The inspector window allows you to modify the characteristics of the clips, playlists, or events. The inspector window provides a wide set of possibilities to customize your scheduled playlists, events, and clips. With OnTheAir Manager, you can create as many schedules and control as many TV channels as you want, locally or through the network. In the schedule window, the first thing that you will notice are three distinct areas: the calendar pane, the playlist browser, and the playlist work area. The calendar pane is used to create and edit events. Events are blocks of time in a schedule that contain clips and playlists. This area works similarly to other familiar calendar applications. You can create events by a simple drag and drop. You can move them around, and you can also duplicate them or repeat them. You can navigate through days, go to a specific day, or click on Now to quickly go to the current date and time. You can zoom in and out to have a more detailed view, and you can also select the amount of days you would like to see. Being able to see the whole week at a glance is one of the great advantages of OnTheAir Manager's calendar-like schedule. Notice that there are color-coded events in the calendar. These color codings represent categories, and categories are an integral part of programming with Manager. You will find playlists in the playlist browser. Playlists, just like events, can contain clips and nested playlists. Playlists created here do not have a start time and date as events do. Only when they are used in an event will the playlist be scheduled. This is very useful when you want to reuse a sequence of clips, such as commercial blocks. In the playlist browser, you can create new playlists. You can duplicate them, and you can also delete them. The playlist can also be sorted by name or by category. You can also search for a playlist in the search field located on the bottom right of the playlist browser. The playlist work area is where you can edit the content of the selected playlist or event. First, select an event or a playlist, then add clips from the media browser or playlists from the playlist browser. As mentioned earlier, playlists within events or within other playlists are called nested playlists. When you click on a nested playlist, you will see an additional column in the work area displaying its content. You can have as many levels of nested playlists as you want. The playlist work area is also the area that allows you to see important information regarding your schedule. A quick look towards the bottom of the area provides you with critical information such as preset duration, real duration, and whether you have an underrun or an overrun. The preset duration is specified by the user and is the duration of the event on a schedule. The real duration is the actual duration of the combined clips and playlists of an event. An overrun means you have exceeded the preset duration in an event, and an underrun means that you need to add media to fill a gap in your event. The media browser window lists and contains all the media available for playout. In this window, you will see some important information such as the duration of the clips, their format, frame rate, and their Finder label. The media browser also allows you to see real-time clip status and validation. You can search for clips using a search term, or you can also use the advanced search feature to fine-tune your search results. You can set in and out points or change attributes directly in the media browser, and these changes will reflect globally throughout all playlists and events. Changes do not need to be made individually, and this makes media management easy. In the media browser, you can also create offline and live clips. Offline media refers to programs that have not yet been delivered by editors and can be used as space holders until the media is available. Live clips allow you to integrate live events in your schedule by using attributes to control video routers and switchers. The inspector window has many features. Here are a few of them. The window lets you set attributes to selected clips, playlists, or events. When you select a clip, you can set its in points, its out points. You can also split the clip into several segments. When you select a playlist, you can modify its name, its preset duration, or its category. In this area, you can also repeat events or set them in loop. As mentioned before, the distinct advantage and appeal to Softron's scheduling solution is the attribute and category workflow. Attributes are what some refer to as secondary events. Attributes can be anything ranging from sending GPI triggers to controlling video routers, adding a logo, or controlling OnTheAir CG, Softron's character generator application. Here's an example. By default, we have set a CG ticker as being off. During regular programming, the CG will not play. If you want to turn it on during a specific portion of your programming, you can simply select the clip, go to the inspector, and change the attribute for that specific clip. The next time this clip plays, the trigger will go off to play the OnTheAir CG ticker. This sophisticated level of automation allows for programmers to easily manage secondary events. You can also modify the attributes for multiple clips at once. You have a few options to do this. You can select multiple clips and modify their attributes. You can also select a whole event or playlist and modify its attributes. When you have made the modifications, all the clips in the event or playlist will have the new attribute set. When you add a clip to this event or playlist, it will give the same attributes as the ones set for the playlist or event. This consolidates programming to large blocks, saving valuable time. Earlier I spoke about categories. Categories are not only a color coding that helps you program your schedule. Categories can also help you automate attributes. You can create a category by going to your preferences in OnTheAir Manager, where you can assign the color code and specify its attributes. In this example, we are creating a commercial category, and this category will automatically remove the station logo. When an event or playlist is created and is categorized as commercial, the user will not have to remember to remove logos from programming. And this is just one of the benefits to using categories. In conclusion, the distinct advantage of OnTheAir Manager becomes clear with the advanced level of automation that we can accomplish by using attributes and categories. There are currently no competitors who can achieve the sophistication and ease of use of OnTheAir Manager. This is all for now. There are many more features that you can discover on your own in OnTheAir Manager. You can also read about it on our website and download the demo version to test it out for yourself.